MSM teachers. This video is going to show you a little bit on how to use your Canvas Studio. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open Canvas Studio, which is located on your sidebar right underneath the Commons. And whenever you go into Canvas Studio, if this is your first time going in, you may not have anything in your Canvas Studio, but I've been playing around, so I've already got some videos in here. They are organized by collections, or you can just have them in here. You may end up with a lot of videos throughout the course of your year. So it would be a good idea to go ahead and organize your videos by different collections. So for example, these are videos that Alex Weishen and I are using for online government, and other videos for PLM. And I'll show you how to make a collection a little bit later in this video. But first, I'm going to show you just the simple step of adding a video. And so there is an add button here. The great thing about Canvas Studio is that you can import videos into your library several different ways. Well, a couple of different ways. The first being that you can use YouTube or Vimeo videos just by pasting a link. So I have an example video here from the theology teachers that they often share in their classrooms, Introduction to the Power of Prayer. And so all I need really is the URL from right here. I'm going to copy that URL, and then back in Canvas Studio, I am going to paste that URL, and it adds that video to my Canvas Studio. And now I can embed this video in assignments or different pages within Canvas as well. So that is super helpful. The other thing that I can do is I can drag and drop media that I have created from other places as well. So if you have a Screencastify video that you have downloaded that you want to import, you can simply browse your files and import that video. And I'm just going to show you a quick example from one I made earlier today. And I'm just going to upload that. It goes through the upload process. And then I have that video within my Canvas Studio as well. Another thing that you can do in Canvas Studio to add simple videos would be to use this record feature, and I can get a screen capture or a webcam capture. I'm going to show you what the webcam capture looks like in this particular video. If it's your first time using, hi everyone. You may have to go ahead and enable your web browser to be able to use the camera. But once you are seeing yourself, you can start recording. Hey, this is just a quick little example video of how to record yourself in Canvas Studio with the webcam feature. And I'm going to save this, so I'm going to give it a title. And I am going to save. I could also start over if I didn't like the way that that went. So if I needed it for something else, I could, re-record my video. Okay, so now I can see that my studio is getting a little bit cluttered with other videos as well as other collections. So I am going to create a new collection. And I'm going to just give it a name. And so now I need to add that content. So again, I can add directly to this collection from YouTube or something like that, or I can add them from my library. So I can see my example is empty. When I click the three dots here, I can move to, and I can select a destination from the collections that I have created. And so now I'm going to move the other videos as well into that example collection. And that is just a brief overview of some of the things that you can do within your Canvas studio. Thanks for watching this video.